What is a vision? Simply put, it is our ultimate dream. Our company's reason for being. Our vision is what we want to be. The vision is how we want to be perceived by the outside world. The vision, when understood and shared by all the employees, becomes everyone's higher purpose. It inspires and motivates all of us to be part of the dream. The new vision. What is the mission? It is the primary task we do as a company. The mission is the objective, and what we do to make the dream and vision a reality. The new mission. For our vision to come to fruition, we must translate our actions into positive results. Actions born out of our core values and replicated by all others at PSWRI. Our core values. And to drive us forward with our mission, we must translate our actions into positive results. By focusing our actions on our core competencies, we all uplift ourselves. Our core competencies.